Alright, Kenmore dishwasher wasn't spinning or spraying water, so I had to replace the dishwasher circulation pump, usually about 40 bucks on Amazon. We're gonna go ahead and check to make sure that there's no water inside, and if it is, go ahead and start the dishwasher, and once you started it, press and hold the start button for like 5 seconds. It should start draining. Then make sure you plug it out. Make sure that it's off. Remove the 2 tabs at the bottom. And you can slide that cover right off. Now you could slide it forward and lift it a little bit, make it easier for you so you can get at the bottom. Make sure you shut off your water line. And then once you shut it off, you can go ahead and remove the water line. And then you're also going to remove the line going to the garbage disposal. I was using a frying pan to catch all the water because it was nice and flat. And then go ahead and disconnect your garbage disposal line. And then once you had the 2 lines disconnected and you plugged it out, you can go ahead and flip it over. And there is your dishwasher circulation pump. Turn that counterclockwise and it should come right off. And then plug out the little connection on the back. And I was curious to see why this failed, so I just kind of wanted to see what was going on with it. And I was curious to see why it failed, so I took it apart and noticed a big crack right down the middle. Yep. So then, to install the new unit, you would just go ahead and line up the little prongs that it slides into, and then you would turn that clockwise. There he goes. And then just make sure you line everything up. And just make sure you plug it back in. And then you can go ahead and flip it over. And you'll have to connect the 2 lines again. So then you can connect your lines back together. You could start with the garbage disposal line. And then slide the dishwasher back and pull the water line forward, so you'll be able to connect that as well. And then you go ahead and tighten that up. And then you can go ahead, plug it in, turn your water back on. And then just slide it back in and you're all good to go.